Check out this RC car. It is so cool. This is a stunt car for boys, girls, and adults too. And this will provide so much fun and entertainment for your little one. This can have 30 minutes of prolonged play on a single charge. And it takes about an hour, hour and a half to fully charge. And this will do flips. It will go side by side, left and right, and so much fun. And check out what a cool color this is. And it's so nice and beefy, but they also have other colors as well. And this also has a lithium-ion battery. Perfect! This also has a transmitter that you can use 50 meters away. How awesome is that? Now, all you have to do is put 2 AA batteries inside for the remote to work. These also have anti-crash durable rubber tires. And they also have shock absorbency, strong grip, and anti-skid too. You can play this at the park, in the living room, or on the pavement too. Wasn't that amazing? Perfect gift to give any time of year. I was sent this from SGILE, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.